All right, you ready, Alphonsus?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Crazy8Family Kids.
How long has it been since you rode?
February probably.
Of last year?
Yeah, last year. February.
Or before that?
We were like something.
It's been definitely over a year.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Who do you think you're gonna ride?
I was going. Yeah, Rain.
Should we let Petunia in before we go?
Yeah.
It is so windy out today. Look at that tail. Aren't you, Toonie? Yes, you are. You smell like a dog.
She is
Doesn't
a dog.
she?
Look, Mom.
She smells like a dog.
Petunia's 2 in 1. Nice companion.
Oh, look,
and
she's got a little paw on your face.
partner.
Exercise partner?
Yeah.
Very nice. Working those leg muscles. Oh, she's loving that. I love how she has her paw on your face right now.
They're like against my head.
Look at her
Just
paw.
keep it over there.
Oh, a little head massage. Come on, this is life, Toonie.
Mom, her leg. Get me off this head.
She's loving it, Lucas. She is a happy girl.
Yeah.
Her eyes are shut. She's like, love me forever.
And ever.
Oh. She's so cute. We are here, and it is super windy.
That one might just have to hold on to your head.
I know, you're gonna hold on to your hat. At least your helmet's strapped on, Alphonsus.
I need a strap.
It's not coming off. It is really nice out though.
By the end of this year, I'm taking a swimming.
Seriously?
That is my life goal.
Gabriel is going swimming in the little stream. Uh-oh. It is a beautiful day at the barn. Oh, and the horses are there.
Wait, is that, no, that's not
I think it's Annie. And I'm not sure who else that is.
Dalmatian and Brownie.
Dalmatian Brownie.
Dalmatian.
Hi. Hi, Annie. Good morning. Good morning, Annie.
Annie.
Oh.
Oh.
Hello there. Hello. Wow.
So pretty.
He is so pretty.
Wow.
It might be.
He has like a beard.
I love it.
Yeah.
Hello.
Massive.
He like nudged my camera.
You wanna play that game?
The sniffing game. There's like seriously a Dalmatian dog over there.
Dalmatian. Now I just need a brownie. 101 Dalmatians. Guys, now
He
I
is
just need
really
a brownie.
cute,
I don't have
Alphonsus,
full
isn't he?
flavor. I'm waiting
He's
for
a
that
pretty
dog
boy.
to rush me.
Hi, Annie. Good morning. Good morning, pretty girl. Hey, little man. Look at him. He's like perched up on the seat. He's cute. All right, we're waiting for Alphonsus' lesson. And we're doing some very important bottle flipping. Gabriel has come up with his own version of bottle flipping.
It's called the I'm so good at it version.
It's called the bottle flip catch drop.
My streak is to an end.
See Alphonsus try.
Yeah!
Nice, Alphonsus.
What's your secret? Wait.
What's your secret? Don't reveal your secret.
No,
A bottle
I'm not.
flipper never reveals his secret.
Crack the lid. Yes.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Do it at the same time.
No, I'm gonna try to
As Lucas would say.
look. No,
All right, let's see you, Alphonsus.
It's Dusty Divot.
I'd like to thank you for getting me all wet.
Well, he doesn't have a lid, but I have to drink
My
it
pink
like this.
stretch pants are all wet now. Thank you very much. Gabriel's cap.
I'm gonna do that.
Gabriel's cap is now a sippy cup. How about? Oh, that's very nice. This is what bottle flipping gets you.
You overcome your obstacles.
All right, I see your instructor coming, so let's go meet your horse.
Okay.
So you're gonna be on Gibson.
Yeah, so. Oh, that'd be sweet. Thank you.
Oh, Gabriel's like, my man, he's my man. How about I just jump him on board right now?
She's overly
Okay? So that's a little bit longer. You don't want to go a bit more back there. Want to look? That doesn't need to take this one. Yeah, you can go around to the other side. There's a big horse. And then when you brush it off with the other brush, you can brush it down the legs.
How's it going, Gabriel?
It's like Petunia on his hair.
Cleaning that bum.
Spray it all.
You taking a break off on me? No breaks on the job. We gotta get this horse clean.
What if they put his legs up? These rocks.
I saw that tongue. He just stuck his tongue out. That is a long tongue. Easy, good job, Gabriel.
I'm just using this brush to get all the hair away.
Yo, you
Sweatshirt.
are covered in horsehair.
You really think of it?
I'm not quite sure that could actually happen.
Well, I know, but I'm talking about the hair.
Yes, definitely the hair. Alphonsus, you are covered in that black sweatshirt. There we go.
Big round part? Yep. So, right in the middle there, down, down. Good. And then they'll go straight back. And a lot tighter than you think. Yep.
You're looking good. You can make a friend, Gabriel. Hey! Hi! Yeah, he definitely needs a bath. Well, it's been raining and muddy and gross. Hello! He's cute, isn't he?
Yeah.
Underneath all that dirt. You did good, Gibby. You did very good. How was it, Alphonsus?
Awesome.
Awesome. Gibby,
Yeah.
thank you. Did you thank your horse?
Yeah, thank you, Gibby.
You want to get back on already?
Yeah.
I bet. So awesome, isn't it?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
I would say probably the trotting.
Trotting. On the lunch line or off the lunch line?
Off the lunch line.
Just free?
Yeah.
Just wild and free. That's awesome, Alphonsus.
Yeah.
So this is the new horse, Tango. That's what we found out.
Yeah.
Next to
Come
Annie.
here. I want to say hi. Hello.
Bye, Tango.
My dude.
I love his little beard.
I know.
So he's a draft thoroughbred. That's a draft thoroughbred. And he is the new horse. He just got here this week. He's very protective of Annie. He's like her little guardian. You taking care of Annie? She is pretty cute.
Bye. Thanks for watching Crazy 8 Family Kids. Bye.